Alright, so this is just a quick down and dirty proof of life video. So this is ES44AC by Kato. It has a LokSound 58741 Kato USA board installed. And the sound file in it is V5 S0523, which is going to be their GE file. That's correct for this unit. And those three BNSF units, we're not going to go into those right now. But anyways, this unit came in for repair. Had a wrong fuel tank on it, had some other things buggered up on it, and so we brought it in here, we installed sound, and away we go. Alright, and we're going to move along. Alright, just like our ES44 friends back there, this unit also received a Kato 5/8 or ESU Kato USA 58741 board and a 15x8 speaker with a 3D printed housing. Where these deviate is the next two units also had 04, I don't know if it's going to show here. I'm pulling out 0402 wired SMLEDs, warm light LEDs for independent ditch lights. So, we'll give this guy some sound. We'll give him a headlight. You can see the headlight, but the ditch lights are not on. Those are on, I don't know if I put them on 6 or 7 or 5. And so this has auto flashing or grade crossing on it, and I'll disable that before you ship because it's not correct for UP unless the customer wants it that way. But that's just something you can logically control and change pretty easily with a local programmer. But the headlights are wired independently. And there we go. SD70 ACEs with ESU LokSound installed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.